Let's begin sitting on the mat with knees bent, hip width apart, feet flat on the mat. We'll take our hands and put the heel of our hands at the top of our pelvis and our fingers pointing down towards our pubic bone. From here, we're going to start tilting our pelvis by lifting our pubic bone up and relaxing it back down to the mat. Nice and easy. Tip the pubic bone up and relax it down to the mat. And then we're going to find our neutral pelvis with our natural curves. And that's going to be where the pubic bone and the top of our pelvis are pretty even. From here, go ahead and rest your arms down by your side. Pull the strings within your abdominal up to lift your legs, knees over hips. Squeeze your legs together. Slide your hands down the mat. Lift your head, neck, and chest. Look forward towards your thighs. Lift your arms up and start to pump the arms up and down. Inhaling for a 5 count and exhaling for a 5 count. You can also extend the legs up, continuing to breathe in and out for a 5 count, or you can stretch the legs away, drawing the belly in. Exhale. Hold, bring the knees in, and rest the head down. Rock yourself up to sit. Come forward on your mat. Again, knees bent, hip width apart. Hold behind your thighs, half roll back. Scoop your belly. Pubic bone up, allow the arms to straighten. And exhale to come forward. Again, you're sitting on top of your sits bones. To come off your sits bones, scoop your belly, pubic bone forward. Roll back until the arms are straight. Exhale, scoop, and come forward. Reach your arms forward, challenge the stability through the center. You can go back even further now. Exhale to come up. And one more time, rolling back. And exhale to come up. This time you're going to go all the way down to the mat. Bring the arms up. Overhead, stretch the legs long. Bring the arms down by your side. Single leg circles. Pull the right knee in over the hip. Straighten the leg up to the ceiling. Across, around, down, and up. Inhale and exhale. Remembering to connect to your center. It doesn't matter how big your leg circles are. It doesn't matter if your leg is completely straight. But you just want to stabilize through the center. And you reverse your circle. You do about 5 to 8 each side. I'm doing 5. Bring the leg up and lower it down. Switch legs. Cross, down, around, and up. Inhale and exhale. 3, 2, and 1. Bring the leg up, reverse. Pull the belly in. That's all you have to worry about at this point. Is drawing the belly in, stabilizing the pelvis. And good. Bring the leg down. Then you're going to wrap yourself up. So grab behind your thighs, rock yourself up, come forward on the mat, rolling like a ball. Hold as close as you can to your ankles. Draw your heels in towards your bottom, heel to bottom connection. Look forward, pull your chest towards your knees. Inhale to go back. Exhale up and hold. Inhale back. Exhale up and hold. I'll do one more. Exhale up and hold. And then you're going to straighten your legs out on the mat. Legs go wide, feet are flexed. Lift your spine, lift your low back bones. Bring your arms in front and slide forward. Inhale, exhale, exhale, exhale. Pull the belly away from the thighs and roll back up and sit nice and tall. Inhale at the top. Exhale as you go forward. Pull the belly back and walk it back up and sit tall.